Today we are making cheese garlic bread. Before we start, we say welcome to you in our channel Cooking and Style. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Also press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Now let's start the recipe. Cut the sides of 6 slices of bread. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste in 6 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of chopped coriander, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon salt. Now mix these ingredients together well. Make sure to mix it until it is soft and combined together well. We have made the paste for the sandwiches. Now let's do the next step. Spread mayo chili sauce on top of the bread. This is our own unique recipe that we made at home. Once you have spread the mayo chili sauce, you can add cheese on top. Add more cheese if you want, according to your taste. If you do not like cheese, you can add less. Now take another piece of bread and apply the mayo chili sauce again. And once you have done applying the mayo chili sauce, you place the piece on top of the other bread. Now let's do the next step. On only one side of the bread, apply the garlic paste that you made earlier. Now place the sandwich onto the pan to cook. Place the side that has the garlic paste onto the pan. Make sure to cook it on low flame so that it does not burn. Now apply butter onto the second side of the bread. Make sure to spread the butter paste well. This will give it the taste of garlic bread. Remember to cook it on low flame. Now change the sides of the bread so that both sides can cook properly. The bread is almost ready. Now that both sides are cooked and ready, you can place it on the plate. Then you can make as many more sandwiches as you want by repeating this process. Kids will love this recipe. Apply the butter again. You can make as many sandwiches as you want. These sandwiches taste really good with cheese. It is perfect for breakfast or lunch. This is a very delicious recipe. It almost tastes like pizza, but is very healthy. Be sure to try this recipe at home. The sandwiches are very crispy and tasty. If you have not subscribed to our channel Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Comment down below your opinions on this recipe. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching this video.